to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I got for my birthday. I did a very similar video last year as well after my birthday, and you guys seem to really enjoy that video. Personally, I really enjoy watching what I got for my birthday videos. So I thought I should make another one. I need to give you guys a disclaimer. This is not me showing off or bragging. This is just me showing all the really cute, thoughtful gifts that I got, which I'm very grateful for. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. But before that, don't forget to go subscribe and also follow me on my Instagram, because we do have 30 days of giveaway on my Instagram going on right now. So go follow me. And having said all of that, let's just get started with today's video. So I'm going to start off by showing a few gifts that I got for myself, because I got quite a few gifts for myself. I actually wanted to get something else originally, but I had to buy a laptop because my laptop randomly stopped working. And by the way, I still haven't been able to get it repaired. So this is the MacBook Pro, and it's probably the most expensive thing in this haul. But it was essential. Like, I had to buy a laptop. So this was gift number one from myself. So most of the things that I got for myself as gifts are for YouTube, like to upgrade my equipment. So if you watched my YouTube guide video, I'm going to link it in the description box below. I did mention how I use my phone in order to record my audio, which is what I'm using even right now. But I wanted to upgrade, so I picked up this mic from Amazon. I still haven't tested it out. I wanted to use it today, but I just realized कि इसमें micro SD card चाहिए रहता है, and I don't have that, so I'm gonna have to buy that as well. But this is what it looks like, and it has really good reviews. So I'm hoping this is really good. If you've been watching all of my videos and if you've been following me for a while, you know that I also picked up a ring light, which is again what I'm using. Best purchase ever. Like, get it if you are like thinking about it. You're not gonna regret it. Other than that, I also picked up a lens. It is the 40mm Canon 40mm lens. Again, beautiful lens. Abhi to kuch depth nahi hai mere background mein, which is why it's probably not like blurring it out. But when there is like depth in the background, it gives like a beautiful bouquet. So I think those are all the things that I got for myself. Let's move on to the things that my parents got me. I think it's become kind of like a tradition for them to get me jewelry on my birthday. So they gave me these two beautiful necklaces. You guys know I'm obsessed with dainty jewelry. So I got these two necklaces from Tanishq, and they also gifted me two rings. Last year also they gifted me two rings. This year also I got two more rings to like stack and layer. The next gift probably has to be my favorite. Aditya gifted me a few packets of hot Cheetos. My favorite snack of all time. I'm obsessed with this. It's not very easy to find this in India. I mean, it is, but it's very, very expensive, like ridiculously priced. But I got a few packets and I have finished though already. I'm pretty sure you can find this on Amazon, but it's very expensive. If you want to try it out, I'll leave a link in the description box below. If you've never had this, definitely try this out. But I will say, बहुत ज़्यादा भी मत खा लेना, थोड़ा सा ही खाना at a time, because next morning is not going to be a pretty sight if you have like the whole packet of it. I've been there, done that. Don't do it. Aditya also gifted me this very, very thoughtful gift. It's a massager. It's a back and shoulder massager. I have always had like problems with like my back and my shoulder. It probably has something to do with my posture, let's be real. This has been really helping me with that. Every night before I go to bed, I take this and I just like keep it on my back, and it does like a really good job at like getting out all the knots, and it's just very relaxing. It's really nice. Again, this is also from Amazon. I'm gonna make sure to link everything that I possibly can in the description box below, just in case you want to get it for yourself or you want to gift it to someone else. So I got gifted a few things from Zara. Two things from Zara. The first one are these heels, powder blue strappy heels. I love these heels. I don't know again where I'm going to be wearing this. No idea. But I love this. If you guys know anything about me, you know that I am obsessed with heels. I've even like built like a thing for like my heels. You'll see it in an upcoming vlog. I'm not gonna give too much away right now, but these are gonna go like on my shoe rack ekdam hi samne eye level pe, because I think they're gorgeous. Sath mein I got this dress which is kind of a similar color, but it's a little bit like 2-3 shades darker blue. It's a bodycon dress. Again, If you know anything about me, you know I'm obsessed with bodycon dresses. Like my go-to outfit is to wear a bodycon dress with a denim jacket, sneakers, and like a sling bag. That's like my go-to, or even a backpack. We're coming to the backpack, but yeah, this is what the dress looks like. It fits me so well. I also got this backpack, which is from Accessorize. This is what it looks like. It's black with golden hardware, which is exactly how I like my bags to be, because I do wear a lot of gold jewelry. So it's just nice that it like matches everything that I wear. And this is like a laptop bag. It's not just like a regular like cute teeny tiny backpack. It's like a proper laptop bag. So for the longest time, I would just like carry around my laptop in my purse, which is not the right way to like carry a laptop, you know what I mean, because it's an expensive laptop. So this is perfect. Again, a very, very thoughtful gift by Adya. She's the one who gifted me this bag. This bag is so well made and it has so many sections. I do definitely see myself using this bag a lot, not just for like carrying my laptop, but otherwise also, like if I'm going on like a short one-day trip, I feel like this is like big enough to hold everything. And again, so well made. This is available on Nykaa, so definitely check this out because I think it's such a great gift idea. Also got Alexa, which I'm very excited about. Works out really well considering that I do have like a new place. So I can kind of automate it and attach this to my TV. And I do have a few light bulbs also, which can get connected to Alexa. I'm going to have to figure out how to do it. But it's going to be really nice because I can ask her to switch on the light, switch on the TV. And I mean, uske alawa, I don't know what this does. I'm gonna have to like figure it out, but it's just nice. My friend Shikhar has this, and I would like really like get fascinated by Alexa when I would go over to his place. So yeah, it's just nice to have my own, I guess. By the way, I do want to give a shout out to everyone who sent me flowers, so many desserts. If you go and see my birthday vlog, you'll see what I'm talking about. Especially Aditya and Adya sent me the most beautiful flowers. Unfortunately, they're dying right now. I have been changing out their water every day, giving them flower food, but they're not really surviving that well. I don't have a green thumb. But I do want to thank everyone who sent me like little things. Like Anam sent me a beautiful money plant. Hina from the VP store also sent me some beautiful roses. And other than that, so many of my friends and family sent me so many yummy desserts. So thank you if you're watching this video. So Mansi sent me a few pre-birthday gifts, I think on the 11th of August, like exactly a month before my birthday, which was so cute. And I'll insert like a story that I posted on my Instagram. She gave me some random gifts, but very useful. She gave me a lipstick, she gave me like a stick-on bra and like a random item, which I don't want to talk about. It's like an inside joke. So I actually used everything that she gave me. And on the day of my birthday, she also sent this really thoughtful gift, which is like a globe which projects light. It can be used as like a great side table accent, I guess, because it lights up, right? So it's very pretty, very beautiful. I'll make sure to insert a clip because I don't have it right now here with me. And also Haley sent me this palette from Huda Beauty. I actually don't own any Huda Beauty palette. Yeah, I don't, I'm pretty sure. And she sent me this beautiful eyeshadow palette, which is all nudes, which is perfect for me. So good. Haven't used it yet, but I'm sure it's great. So thank you, Haley. Oh, I actually have one more like beauty product. I got the Glam Glow Super Clay Mud. I think that's what it's called. I am obsessed with that face mask and I'm so glad that someone gifted it to me because I don't think I would buy it myself. I mean, yeah, I would, but it's so expensive. I would like think 10 times before buying it. So I'm just so glad I got it as a gift. I got the same thing even last year. Yeah, so I hope next year भी कोई दे दे. If anyone's watching this video next year, मुझे दे दो वो gift में. Because I'm sure मेरे birthday तक तो खत्म ही हो जाएगा. छोटू सा pot है and I love it so much that I feel like using it every week. I've been really holding myself back from like using it because I want to save it for like special occasions. And I think that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. And everyone who's watching, thank you for making my birthday so special. Irrespective of if you've like sent me a gift or not, that doesn't matter. But I really had a great birthday this year. I really wasn't expecting to have a great one, to be honest, because of the whole quarantine situation, and I take my birthdays very seriously. I do remember I did go into my birthday with a positive mindset and also with no expectations, which is why I think I enjoyed my birthday so much. Anyway, having said all of that, this is what today's giveaway looks like. So this is what today's giveaway looks like. In order to win, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simbaa Lifestyle, and tag 3 friends on my latest Instagram post. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.